All right, now what we're going to do is this will be our second video, kind of prepping for our required task. And this is plugging into exponential formulas, right? And so what I want to understand and what I want to do, I want to break this down, and I'm going to kind of break down how to answer the question. There are two types of questions through these sets of examples. I want to make sure we understand how to approach them. All right, now let's go ahead and break this question down. So it says a person places $8,430 into an investment account, earn an annual rate of 3.8%, compounded continuously. Using the formula V equals P ERT or PERT, where V is the value of the account in T years, P is the principal initially invested, E is the base of a natural logarithm, and R is the rate of interest. Determine the amount of money to the nearest cent, right? So nearest cent after 16 years, right? So again, what I circled was what our values are. So we have P, which is 8,430. We have our rate R, which is 3.8%. And then we have our time, 16 years, right? And so what we're going to do is now fill in the equation based upon the information we have. So right here, right now, we have 8430, right, times E, right, raised to the power of 3.8%. Well, we're going to convert that to a decimal, so that is going to make it 0.038, and 16 will be our years, right? So normally what people would do, they will multiply the 0.038 and 16 together, and they'll get an answer. Now, after multiplying 0.038 and 16, we're going to get 0.608, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to type it into the calculator just like this, right? So we have 8430 E raised to the power 0.608. Enter. So we have $15,483.84 as our answer. So now we go back to Delta Math, right? We scroll down, we're just going to plug in our answer. So we have $15,483.84. And again, it's important to see this question and understand that we're rounding to the nearest cent. You can get an incorrect answer for not rounding to the correct place. All right, now this is the other type of a problem we were encountered. Last one, we had the equation V is equal PE to the RT. This one now we have PT is equal to PO times 2 to the TD. So the question says a culture of bacteria has an initial population of 110 bacteria and doubles every 6 hours. So that's important for us to understand. So 110, it doubles every 6. Using the formula PT is equal to P0 times 2 to the T over D, where PT is the population after T hours. PO is the initial population, T is the time in hours, and D is the doubling time. What is the population of bacteria in the culture after 19 hours? All right. So we understand the equation. We understand what we're supposed to do. Let's go ahead and look at the problem, right? So what we have here is we have this equation on the screen. I've already written down the initial statements, and now here, all we're going to do is just plug this information in. So our initial is 110 times base 2 t to the 19 over 6. And again, this is really nothing but more just plugging into your calculator to kind of see what your response is. So we have 2. So let me go ahead and clear this. So we have 2 to the 19 divided by 6. and we're going to multiply that by 110. So our answer here should be 988, right? Let's go back to the question and see what we're going to round it to. So it says round it to the nearest whole number. On our calculator, we had 987.76. That's going to round up to 988. So we go ahead and go to our answer. We got 988. Boom. Yes, that is correct. And again, once you get a correct answer, they kind of break down to you what work you did and what you had happen, right? And so now this is exactly how you do these problems. If you guys got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.